Wow, what a beautiful morning today. Good morning, good morning. Happy Sunday. It's a fogging morning here in our place, guys. Good morning, good morning. Dili na makita ang forest surround us, guys, tungod sa fogging ang nagpalibot namo. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Sa sayo nga kabuntagon sa ining Domingo nga adlaw. It's a great day because it's a cold early morning, guys. Wow,